Introducing our Modified Kits feature. Our Modified Kits feature allows you to order a complete seal kit even if some components are currently unavailable. We'll show you what's missing and give you the option to purchase the rest. Let's get started. The first way to do this is to go to Quick Order. From here you'll type in your part number. I'm using this John Deere. A yellow symbol will appear. That means options are available. As you see, it's flashing red. That means the product is out of stock. But the kit can still be added to your cart. There you go, it's been added. The next way to do this is to go to the search bar by typing in John Deere 4662880 is the product that I'm using. And you can see it shows options available. Once again, it's flashing red. That means the product is out of stock, but the kit is still available to purchase. Add to cart. And the last way to do this is to go to Search Kits by Model. I'm going to use Bobcat as the manufacturer, all applications, and 320D as my model. As you can see, options available for this kit. Once again, it's flashing red, meaning it's out of stock, but the kit can still be added to the cart. Add to cart, and the modified kit has now been added. Thank you.